While you're relaxing, I'm gonna take them through the Ensuite. You stay there.
And walk in robe.
Please, come with me. I like the acrylic door. It's lightweight, so it's easy on the frame of the van, but it just looks nice. So, you know, when you want to shut someone out, like
That's so good when you can't hear
it
it.
looks properly private. But please, come in. So this is where you saw the laundry chute. So we unlock it, and you can fit a ton of clothes in there, by the way. It's not a small space. But what I like about this Ensuite is there is so much storage for everything. The great thing that we were chatting about earlier about having the closet, your walk-in robe in your Ensuite, is, so when I'm out camping and I'm having a shower, my clothes are typically at the bed, and I've got to do my nudie run from the shower to the bedroom to get my clothes. That means I've got to close all my windows if there's any campers around me. The great thing about this, I don't have to close up the entire van just to get out of the shower and get dressed. I just close my windows in here, and I've got everything I need in here. I mean, the banks overhead of storage, underneath, like the amount of drawer space. This is one of the coolest, if this is not the coolest Ensuite in a caravan, ooh, that was a bit hard. Sorry about that, guys. If this is not the coolest Ensuite you've seen, I'm gonna call you a liar, I think. So shower, check out the size of the shower. So we've really maximized the space in here to make this a properly functional, comfortable Ensuite. And the other thing that I like is having this extra storage above the toilet. So your toilet products are separate from your toiletries at the vanity. So yeah, beautiful. I mean, there's enough room in here for me and the camera guy, comfortably. So let's go back out.